Hi, welcome back to the channel. So, enough of being lazy. Anyways, it's still working. Well, today we're still gonna be working on the Pajero. Um, One of the important things that you need to do with your vehicle is to protect your paint, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. And I'm gonna try one product that I haven't tried before, and I think it's gonna do a good result. This will be my first time, so if I'm gonna be doing something wrong, let me know, comment below. So let's jump into it. So what we're gonna be trying today is a clay bar. I've seen a lot of guys use this, and I believe the results will be satisfying. Um, One thing that we have on our paints, especially those who has clear coat, is if you can hear that, it's there's contaminant on the paint. So what the clay bar does is it picks up the contaminants. So before I heard about clay bar, what we do about contaminants is we sand them off, with 2000 grit sandpaper. But then you're starting the process all over again, from the beginning. Sanding, then rubbing compound, then polishing, then glazing, and everything. With this, you can just clay bar it, and then glazed it, and then waxed it. It's a more safer approach because you're not harming the clear. You're not actually cutting it, so you're just pulling out the dirt. So this is the current roughness, and let's see how smooth it is after the video. Like any other product, we should start with a cool and clean surface. So let's start cleaning the hood. So the pack that I bought had two of these. They are nicely wrapped. So they are technically like clay. I don't know what's the difference, but I'm sure the engineer of mudders know what they are doing. So to use this, we're just gonna glide over the paint so it will attract the contaminant. So the contaminant will be embedded here, and that's it. You can use a detailer to lubricate it, or plain water will do. But the kit came with a detailer, so I'm gonna be using it. So that's the sound. It's very rough. You can definitely feel the immediate change in the roughness of the surface. So that's the dirt that it picked up. And then let's dry it, and then let's see how it feels. Ooh. It's nice. That's nice. So this, I'm trying to put the mic closer. The after, and this is the before. After. Nice, isn't it? See? So let's do this on the whole car. So there will be a point when, while you are rubbing this, it feels like it's rough. It's not taking dirt anymore. So that's a time where you will fold it like so, and then knead it again. So this, what this does is it hides the contaminant inside the clay. So now you've got a fresh side. So just make sure not to get this dirty, because if you get it dirty like dust or grime from the ground, from the floor, then that contaminant will scratch your paint again. So I've done half, I fold it, and now let's go to the other half. So that's the whole hood. Look, squeaky clean. I'm just curious. I'll fold this again to a clean slate and then do another pass. Let's see if it will pick up more. So I did another pass. I don't think it picked up more contaminant. I believe one pass of this, if you do it patiently, then it will remove all the contaminant. One disadvantage from where I am, because we're in a hot weather country, that the detailer just dries up very fast. So if you're in a hot country, then you're going to be using a lot of detailer. If you're not, then I think it's okay. And if you don't want to waste money on detailer, you can use water if you're that cheap. It was also on sale. It was part of the value pack, so I was able to buy it cheap. Anyways, this clay that you use, remember to keep it in a Ziploc bag so it won't get dirty. and you can still use it next time. And then I was actually tempted to buy this because it was on sale. So if you are interested to buy this or to use this, they're on sale right now in Ace Hardware. I'm in the UAE, so Ace Hardware UAE. I don't know if it's the same with other countries, but for those who are in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, they're on sale right now. That's why I was tempted to buy it, and I believe it worked well. It's very clean right now, but of course my process won't end here. I will be using, remember Mike with the red car? I'm gonna use his leftovers. So the 3 stages of mudders, which is pure polish, glaze, and then wax, and that will be it. I'll be doing the entire car, and hopefully this will protect the clear of this car for the next few weeks, and then again next month we're gonna be doing this process. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.